Hey guys, this is KyLudwig with BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a 2021 DRV Mobile Suites 41 RKDB 4, which means it's a rear kitchen model. On this DRV, we do have full body paint on here, so really nice coach. As you can come on over here, we got our pass-through storage, really spacious. As you can see there. Then we also got a control system right here too as well. And while you're outside too and looking at the storage, really easy access to the water pump. So if you wanted to do any type of work back here, you definitely can. We got other storage things and hookups to your water and whatnot on the outside of the coach, and more things of storage. Let's go on and head on inside and take a look at this DRV. Now as we get right here, we got the solid steps, keeps you sturdy, as well as the handle here. As you enter into the coach, we got a mid bathroom here, so I'll open it all the way. And if you go on in there, open that, we got hookups for a washer and dryer as well, and storage on the top there. Really nice. We also got your control center right on in here. Super easy access. And once again, more storage here on the top. Come on in here. I really love this floor plan because we got the living space in the middle. And like we said, RK, rear kitchen, okay? Right here, you got plenty of space for hosting guests and throwing parties and whatnot. You got your TV right up here. Plenty of space for storage on the bottom and the top here. We got some seating here, which also can be a sleeping space as well. Okay. Sleeping space right here as well. Lots of open windows, and really love this unit because it's very tall. For all the tall people in here, the DRVs are a great unit for you just because you don't feel claustrophobic. So coming on to the back on the rear kitchen. Oh, I forgot to mention the dinette right here. It does extend out so you can put 4 people here as well, but we just got 2. Got USB ports on here on the side, as well as the electrical outlets. There's even some storage underneath here and all along here as well. Little random places of storage, but you know, there you go. Right here, we got the solid surface countertops, the 4 burner stove, a full-size oven there too. You can fit a large turkey in there for Thanksgiving and whatnot. You also got the trash chute right here. We got our residential fridge to keep everything cool, including your boxes. And we got the freezer on the bottom, very large. And then just plenty of space for cabinetry here. It does also come with a dishwasher, which is quite nice. This just screams luxury to me. It's a lot of space for storage. You can also dim your lighting too, right here if you wanted in the kitchen. Very nice. And then we do also have on these countertops, we have this sink, which is removable, which is really nice. Well, the countertops rather, removable. Very trendy sink. Okay. Then we got the microwave on the top, and just, you name it, the cabinetry is just really sophisticated, really well put together. Nice on here. All around, just a great unit, a lot of space. You don't feel claustrophobic at all. So follow me. Oh, you also got the fireplace down there. Very nifty. There's also some accent lighting throughout here, so you're never just going to feel like you're in the dark. There's plenty of lighting everywhere. And as we go up into the bedroom here, see, we got the king bed here along with just more lighting, and you just feel super spacious. Got a lot of space to walk around each side of the bed. You can also dim these ones. And you can dim yourself on that side as well. So a lot of dimming to set the mood, if you will. Lots and lots of space, deep drawers. Just love the cabinetry that we got here. And a lot of plugs everywhere. We got the USB ports over there, as well as some electrical outlets. Come into the back. This one's also got a bathroom in the front, which is really, really nice. Spacious. We got some accent lighting on the bottom, so you never just feel like you're blue or in the dark, really. So, okay, we got some shelving here that's adjustable for you. Got the dual vanity sink here. Really, really nice sinks as well. If you wanted to live in this full time, you definitely could as well. Medicine cabinets and that sort. Really, really nice background there for the shower. And that is a handheld shower, so for all the tall guys, you can just, you know, grab it yourself there. Back into this closet area, okay? Got a lot of space for hanging clothes, shoes for shoe racks. We also got a lock box right here if you wanted to put anything. And then there's more storage on this side as well. Like I said, very deep drawers. Lots and lots of lighting. And if you wanted, you can also close it as well. So yeah, if you have any questions whatsoever, would love to answer them. My name is Kyle. You can contact me directly at 541-799-8794. Again, my name is Kyle, and hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching.